Removing the tool plate assembly from the Prepmaster. To replace a coupler, you must first remove the tool plate assembly from the machine. With the machine in the safety off position, electricity is unplugged and drive is de-energized, place all pocket weights in the upper baskets and tip machine back. The area in which this procedure is to take place must be on a level surface, so the machine remains safely tipped back. Move the machine to a flat and smooth area to make the repair safely and efficiently. Using a 3/4 inch socket and impact wrench, remove the first bolt completely. Place your hand on the tool plate and remove the second bolt completely. In most cases, the tool plate will come free with a little pulling. If it does not, then use the coupler removal tool. The tool is properly used by inserting in one of the holes and moving it side to side. Once it's loose from the machine, place it on a flat surface and remove the 2 1/2-inch cap screws with the 3/4 inch socket. In most cases, you will need the coupler removal tool. Place the tip of the coupler removal tool in one of the holes and move side to side. For couplers that are very damaged or still not free from the tool plate, place the tip of the coupler removal tool in opposite holes and move side to side.